Security market. Security market line or SML is a representation of the capital asset pricing model. It displays the expected rate of return of an individual security as a function of systematic, non-diversifiable risk. Security market is a component of wider financial market where the securities can be bought and sold between subjects of the economy. On the basis of the demand and supply, securities market encompasses equity market, bond market and derivative market where prices can be determined and participants both professional and non-professional can meet. Securities market can be split into between below two levels. Primary market where the new securities are issued and secondary market where the existing securities can bought and sold. Secondary market can further be split into organized exchanges such as stock exchanges and over-the-counter, where individual parties come together and buy or sell securities directly. For securities holders, knowing that the security market exists in which their securities may be sold and converted into cash increases the willingness of the people to hold the stock and bonds and thus increases the ability of the firm to issue securities. There are a number of professional participants of the security market and these includes brokerage, broker dealers, market makers, investment managers, speculators, as well as those provide the infrastructure such as clearing houses and securities depositories. A securities market is used in an economy to attract new capital transfer, real asset in financial assets. Determine price which will balance the demand and supply and provide means of invest money both short and long term. Legal framework of security market. The security market in India is strictly under the supervision of the government. The government has enacted legislations, constituted bodies, and most often published rules to control the Indian security market. Government of India under the powers conferred in terms of Securities Contract and Regulation Act 1956 up to the late 80s. In the year 1988, the Government of India constituted the Securities and Exchange Board of India, popularly known as SEBI, with headquarters at Mumbai, through an executive resolution to act as an independent regulator of the stock exchange, the primary market and mutual fund, etc. Important legislations are the Securities Contract and Regulation Act 1956 and the Securities Exchange Board of India Act 1992. Other relevant laws which affect the capital market are the Depositories Act 1996, the Foreign Exchange Regulation Act 1973, Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, the Companies Act 1956, Debt Recovery Act, Banking Regulation Act, Binami Prohibition Act, Indian Penal Code, Indian Evidence Act 1872, Indian Telegraph Act 1885.